Hi guys, I'm Suzanne from Backyard University, here to answer the question we all need to know: how to safely put out a fire pit. There are several effective ways to putting out a fire pit, but all of them have one thing in common: deplete the oxygen that feeds it by smothering it. When putting out a fire head, it's important to plan ahead. About an hour before you plan on leaving the fire, stop adding wood. Once the fire has died down, you need to separate the embers. Leaving them clumped together will seal in the heat, taking much longer to cool. You can separate them by using a fire poker or even a long stick. Once separated, pour the water around the fire, making sure it has covered the entire pit and all of the embers. If you don't have water ready or handy, you can use some sand or dirt to put out the embers. It's very important to remember, when putting out a fire pit, if you don't see any glowing embers, it does not mean your fire is out. To ensure that it is, the embers should be cool to the touch. If you're looking for a more immediate way to put out a fire pit, you may wish to invest in a snuffer such as this one. They come in all shapes and sizes. Backyard University believes that when done safely, you can use a fire pit to make memories with friends and family that will last a lifetime. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, please feel free to click the link below to some of our other videos or check out our website at backyarduniversity.org. We've also supplied a list of links below to the mentioned products.